Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 2, representation of irrational numbers on a number line. Then what is the objective for this activity? To represent some irrational numbers on the number line. Materials required for this activity are 2 cuboidal wooden strips, thread, nails, hammer, 2 photocopies of a scale, a screw with knot, glue, cutter. Then prerequisite knowledge for this activity: concept of number line, concept of irrational numbers, Pythagoras theorem, representation of irrational number on number line. Then procedure: make a straight slit on the top of one of the wooden strips. Now fix another wooden strip on the slit perpendicular to the former strip with a screw at the bottom so that it can move freely along the slit. Refer this figure. So here are 2 strips. One is perpendicular and another one is horizontal. Then next, paste 1 photocopy of the scale on the horizontal, which is movable strip, and another photocopy of the scale on the perpendicular strip. Refer this figure. So you have to paste the scale, photocopy of the scale in 2 wooden strips. Then fix nails at a distance of 1 unit each, starting from 0 on both the strips. Now tie a thread at the nail at 0 on the horizontal strip. Refer this figure. Then demonstration. What you observed from this activity: first, representation of root 2. With the help of screw, fix the perpendicular wooden strip at 1, which is 1 unit on horizontal scale. Tie the other end of the thread to unit 1 on the perpendicular strip. Refer this figure. So here the horizontal distance is 1 unit and the perpendicular distance is 1 unit. and the thread is the hypotenuse of the right angle formed by the vertical strip and horizontal strip, and the string length of the string is the hypotenuse. So look at this figure. Here the length of the string between 0 and 1 representing root 2. As the horizontal distance is 1 unit and the vertical distance is 1 unit, so by using Pythagoras theorem, the length of the string between 0 and 1 is root 2 unit. So then representation of root 5. With the help of screw, fix the perpendicular wooden strip at 1, which is 1 unit on horizontal scale. Tie the other end of the thread to unit 2 on the perpendicular strip. Refer this figure. Here the horizontal distance is 1 unit and the vertical distance is 2 unit. So here a right triangle formed by the thread. The thread length of the thread is the hypotenuse. So in this right triangle, the base is 1 unit and the height is 2 unit. So the hypotenuse will be root 5 unit. So look at this figure. Here the length of the thread between 0 and 2 representing root 5 unit. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find that from this right triangle, the length of the string is equal to 1 square plus 2 square, that is 5. So length is root over 5. So then how to represent root 13? So we can represent root 13 by fixing the perpendicular strip at 3 on the horizontal strip and tying the other end of the thread at 2 on the vertical strip. So refer this figure. So here the horizontal distance is 3 units and the vertical distance is 2 units. So from this right triangle, the base is 3 unit and the height is 2 unit. So hypotenuse will be root 13 unit. What we got from this activity, any irrational number can be represented on the number line by using this method. So the application of this activity may help to student in representing some irrational numbers like root 2, root 5, root 8, root 10, root 13, etc. on the number line. Thank you.